Okay, now I am.
Hey!
What is your name?
Terfini. Okay, I could do that.
How bad?
Ready? You ready?
Are you ready?
You better be ready.
I think it might be.
Good. Cuz.
Bang! Stephanie in closely with a heart. You're jealous.
Yeah?
I know you are.
Oh, hey, I forgot the end.
Yeah, we're kind of slow. Anywho.
Slow?
Yeah, new topic. Anywho. How about those trees? Anywho. Sorry.
Wait, you know what this is?
I'm gonna show you.
Oh my god.
One good thing about portable cameras, you can show them anything.
Oh my god.
You want to see the rest? This truck is white. Just 69, and the truck itself is white. What kind of vibe are you getting? What kind of man is this? It's a man, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And woman.
Ooh. Now I see. She looks momentarily confused.
Momentarily? Moment.
Always.
Ew.
She also has ADD.
Dude, I have the attention span. Oh, hey.
There you go. That was a good example.
Like a peanut. Yeah, that works.
Yeah, that's yeah.
That's closely. / Tigger. / Chelsea. / E.
Oh, I was like showing the ground.
/ B and yeah.
Closely Tigger, ESB, Kelsey! You're very jealous of all my names. You want to go through her names?
Hi.
Terf and I,
Terfini.
Piglet, T, Tiffany, and the occasional crackhead.
Don't forget skink, slut, whore, yeah.
Yeah. We get called these a lot.
Her name?
My name?
Her name?
What's my name? That's not my name. Anyway, what?
I love you.
Should I be offended? No, I actually kind of take it as a compliment. I agree with her.
Dude, I can't get up. Oh, you like my shoes?
I do like your shoes. Do you like mine?
Yes. Dude, it's rainbow.
Rainbow. I hope somebody watches this. Rainbow. Thomas.
John.
Rainbow.
Comment. Kelsey.
Oh. Yeah, go ahead. Try to get up. This is really funny. I think she just died a little bit on the inside.
What?
What? Okay, I'm going to stop this one for now.